Climate change is a significant global issue caused by human activities, such as fossil fuel use and deforestation, leading to rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and more extreme weather events. As the effects of climate change continue to unfold globally, its impact is felt locally in cities like Istanbul, where shifting weather patterns affecting both precipitation and temperatures exacerbate challenges such as flooding and heat waves. In recent years, Istanbul has faced severe flooding events caused by heavy precipitation, leading to disruptions and widespread damage, impacting urban areas and coastal neighborhoods. These rainfalls affected approximately 28% of Istanbul's neighborhoods in 2019, where the Fatih district alone received about 114 kilos of water per square meter in one day, an average that exceeded the amounts received by the various affected districts. Istanbul also faces several challenges when it comes to dealing with floods, as many of its drainage infrastructure are not adapted for heavy precipitation and require repairs or replacement. These floods have significant social and economic impacts, particularly on commercial and industrial activities. Taking the flooding of 2009 as an example, the damages were enormous in terms of both human and material losses. According to the vice president of the insurance company, AXA Sigorta, at least 30 people died, and losses estimated between $70 and $80 million were reported.